Welcome back everybody to the assembly portion of the greenery wall. So I've turned the wall around so that we can work with the back so you know what I'm talking about. So you see here they're numbered. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. They need to be lined up specifically in that order. It's designed that way. Okay, so you see these metal rods here? They're conduit. So to remove them, you slide them through the panels, and you have these little hoops here. It has to slide through the hoop to be able to keep this nice and flat. Okay, so there's 2 of them. There's one here at the bottom as well. However, before I take the one panel off and show you how to assemble it, I do want to take note there's going to be small gaps in between if your floor is not level. As you can see, our floor is far from level. So that's important to note. So to combat this, because every floor is different, you see you can push it together and it'll be closed. To do that, just always have a little bit of cardboard or something handy that you can put underneath to close the gap, okay? Because every venue you go to is not going to have a level floor either. So the gap here should be closed now. So also, very important, which we do not provide, you need to place some weights on the back of these panels so that somebody coming by, if they're hanging onto it, that they don't pull it over, because I've made it leaning it back a little bit, but not very much, because I do want you to have a flat looking wall, but you do need to place weights on here. That is a requirement. So you could use dumbbells from home. Put 10-pound dumbbells, let's say, on the back so that this stays upright for you. So keep in mind, bring those with you to your venue. All right, now I'm going to take one panel off here to show you. So now we have one panel free. I'll bring this right in front. Okay, so to undo this, there is a pin here. It's on a chain so that we don't lose the pin. So this pin, you just pull it out. This is on a hinge, so basically you're just undoing a hinge, okay? You bring this forward, you flip this up, and now it's fully flat and transportable for you to take anywhere you'd like to go. So to put it back up, you flip this, pull this out, you flip that back down, you stand on this a little bit, grab your pin, you line up the hinge again, and put the pin back in. And this is panel 1. And then you start lining them up again in the order that they need to be for you to be able to push your rod back through. So hopefully this helps you with your assembly and unassembly. Have a great day.